Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, yesterday we have seen about the profit, loss and discount according with their corresponding formulas. And related to that formulas, we have seen some related questions based on the exercise 8b and 8c. Now today I am going to explain some example with the exercise 8b and 8c, and then we will start the topic discount. Okay. Now see one questions from the exercise 8b, which is John sold an article to Peter at 20% profit. John sold two article to the Peter. That means John has sold an article to the Peter, okay, with the profit of 20%, and Peter sold it to Mohan, okay, at 5% loss. First profit and then second one is the loss. If Mohan paid rupees 912 for the article, if Mohan paid rupees 192 for the article, then find how much did John pay for it. John, how much paid for that article? See, first, देखो, we have provided Mohan paid for the article is equal to what? 912. It is provided you. Peter sold to article to Mohan. Therefore, Peter sold to article to Mohan. Peter to Mohan. So for Peter. Now first you find about the for Peter. The Peter, that means SP for the Peter it is what? 912, and loss percentage is provided you what? 5%. So CP is equal to what? SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. Replace the value SP is equal to 912 and loss is equal to 5%, and calculate this one, and this will become rupees 960. Okay. And now again, first we have find the Mohan paid to article by Peter sold to the article to the Mohan. Now again, John sold to the same article to the Peter. That means now we have find for the John. For John, that we have to find how much did John paid for it. So now, so SP is equal to what? 961. That means for Peter CP will be the SP of what? John. So John is equal to Peter CP is what? 960. So for John it is SP is equal to 961, and profit made by 20%. So CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit. Replace SP is equal to 960 into 100 divided by 100 plus profit is 20%. Just calculate this relation and it will come rupees 800. That means 800. Hence John paid for the article 800 rupees. Is it clear? Now let me solve one more questions which is related to the exercise example number 16. This question is very important and easy also. Now see, a shopkeeper sells an article at 15% gain. Had he sold it for rupees 18 more, he would have gained rupees 18%. That means he had sold rupees 18 more, he would have gained 18%. That means he can gain 18% more profit. Find the cost price of the article. That means we have to find the CP for an article. Okay. That means we don't have the cost price of the particular articles. So now suppose cost price of an article be 100 rupees. CP of the article is equal to 100 rupees. Now apply if when gain is equal to 15%, then SP is equal to what? 100 plus 50 is equal to 115 rupees. Similarly, when gain is equal to 18%, then SP will be what? 100 plus 18 is equal to 118. So difference in the CP difference in the SP, selling price, is equal to what? 118 minus 115 is equal to rupees 3. Okay, I am now apply the unitary method. Since when sold for rupees 3 more, the cost price of an article is equal to what? 100. Similarly, sold for 1 more, then CP of the article is equal to what? 100 by 3. Therefore, sold for rupees what? 18, that we have to find, more than CP of an article is equal to what? 18 times 100 by 3. By 3 this will be cancelled. So rest of the part, it is the 6 into 100. 6 into 100 is equal to what? 600 rupees. Is it clear? So cost price of the article will be what? 600 rupees. Okay. So all of you make a note, and whatever questions you have left in the exercise 8B and 8C, try to finish today itself. Okay. Since tomorrow I will start the topic discount. Is it clear? But when we start with the topic discount, that exercise also use the same concept of profit, loss and discount. Without that, discount cannot be completed. So you prepare for it. Okay. Thank you. Please make a note.